Hi, Mary frickin' Poppins, here. Welcome to my blog. In real life, I look nothing like this. I'm actually taller and super duper hot. You're probably wondering why the heck my blog is a strange and very awkward computer animation. Well, it's to prove a point. Or maybe because this shit is fun. As a matter of fact, I might do all my blogs in this format. Well, that was awkward. Actually, I think I forgot the original point of this blog. Oh, wait. That's right. The latest Geico commercial. Did you see it? Well, check it out in the link below. Check it out. Oh wait,